Good day, Sir Joshua Toraha. Here's my insight and personal reflection after studying the law on common carriers and the Air Passenger Bill of Rights in the Philippines. First, public trust and heightened responsibility. 1K insight and how the law views common carriers not just a business, but as stewards of public trust. Unlike private transport arrangement, common carriers are expected to exercise extraordinary diligence. This means that as a passenger, you are not just paying for a seat, you're paying for a standards of care and safety that must be actively upheld. It also means that transport companies can't be careless or passive. They must anticipate risk and actively prevent harm. This reinforces how vital public transportation is to the counter daily life and economy, and why it must be regulated strictly. Trust it is central to that relationship and the law reflects it. Second, legal presumption of negligence. Another powerful takeaway is the legal presumption that a career is a fault in the event of injury or death. This shifts the burden to the carer to prove otherwise. From a learning standpoint, this demonstrates how the law lens is favor of protecting passengers. It acknowledges that vulnerability of the commuting public and set high standard for accountability. This teaches the importance of due diligence, not just a legal requirement, but as a moral obligation in industries involving human life. 3. Broad definition of common carrier. Through jurisprudence like Cruz versus Sun Holidays and Arasigi versus Pal, it's clear that non-transport companies like resorts or tour operators can be treated as a common carriers. If they provide transport as a part of their service, this widens the net of responsibility and makes business more cautious. It emphasizes that you can't simply label yourself a private carrier to escape accountability. This makes me more aware as a consumer or a professional on how business rules can carry legal implication even beyond your core service. 4. Air Passenger Bill of Rights empowerment through awareness. The Air Passenger Bill of Rights feels like a very empowering set of policies. The right to accurate information, to full value of service, and to a compensation puts passengers in a stronger position. Knowing these rights can change how one interacts with airlines, less tolerance for vague policies or sudden cancellation, and more confidence in demanding fair treatment. This highlights how legal education is crucial for everybody's life. It's not just about understanding rights in courtrooms, but also about standing up for fair treatment in airports, terminals, or online booking platforms. 5. The balance between business and human dignity. Lastly, both the Civil Code and the Bill of Rights emphasize the human dignity should not be compromised for efficiency or profit. This is especially relevant in cases of delay, overbooking, or lost baggage. The law ensures that event operational failures, the passengers' well-being is not forgotten. It reminds me that ethics and legality are deeply connected, especially in service industries. The ultimate goal is not just legal compliance, but the human treatment of people. That's all. Time.